Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a status in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your left corner and there you will see the status. Press on it and up there you will be able to see your status. You can check it out if you click on it, and if you want to delete it you should just press on the three dots right next to it. And in this page you will see your status once again and your views, and right next to it you can just press on the three dots once again and you should select here the third option, which is delete, and a small window will pop up to you asking if you really want to delete this status update, and you should just press on delete and you can see that your status has just been deleted. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.